Learn and grow on the Spotty Dotty Show. We must honor and respect the flag because it's an important symbol of a country. It also tells a story. In the American flag, you will find 13 stripes, which represents the first 13 colonies or states. And the stars represent the 50 states in America. Do you know what state you live in? Well, let me show you now how to fold a flag the right way. You must never allow the flag to touch the floor. Let's fold it together. We're going to fold it in half long ways, one time, and then we're going to fold it one more time in half. Like this. Hold it nice and tight, and now we're going to fold it starting on the red and white side. We're going to make triangles, little triangles just on this side, and you keep folding it until we're gonna get all the way to the other side where the stars are. Fold it where the white part is, and then make a triangle with the blue one. See? Now try to put it right in here.
This?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Hold it like this. Ta-da! Now it's in the shape of a triangle. And this is the way that you store your flag in the right way. Please like and subscribe and stay creative.